Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Please don't forget to comment, like, share and subscribe to this video. Today we're creating this gorgeous, elegant kimono. So let's begin. For this tutorial I used 3 meters of satin fabric, 60 inches wide. I'll be using this paper to illustrate the pattern and the measurements required. As you can see, I've already folded the fabric in half and then half again. This will give you 4 layers. Next, measure 10 inches for the armhole and 6 inches for the depth of the armhole. Extend this line all the way to the bottom of the kaftan. Add a small curve as shown. Here I'm marking the opening of the kimono. You now have the main pattern. Now carefully cut the pieces out. Here be sure to cut the top layer only. Then mark 3 inches either side of the opening. Fold the fabric as shown and extend this measurement all the way to the bottom. Now carefully cut this out. You now have your final pattern. I will now demonstrate how I cut the fabric using the method shown. Here I have my fabric folded into 4. I'm measuring 10 inches for the armhole. Then going in 6 inches for the depth. I've extended the 6-inch line and I'm drawing a curve to connect the two. Now I'm carefully cutting out the pattern. I'm now cutting open the top layer only. After marking the 3 inches, I'm carefully cutting out the front opening. And this is how the kimono should now look. I have gone ahead and pinned the sides. Now to add detailing to the sleeves, I'm using a complementing fabric. I'm using a satin fabric here. Open up the armhole and cut the pattern as shown. Cut the piece at approximately 5 inches wide. Now place and pin the fabric piece right sides together. Now go ahead and repeat for the other side. Now begin by stitching the panels on the armhole. Remember to stitch them right sides together. Trim off any excess material. And turn the fabric inside out. Now go ahead and fold and pin the sides. Pin from where the armhole opens. Now carefully stitch the sides of the kimono. And this is how it should look. Now repeat the same process on the other side. Now carefully hem the front opening. Then hem the bottom of the kimono. And this is how it should look. If you haven't already, please don't forget to comment, like, share and subscribe to this video. I decided to add a collar detailing around the neckline. So cut a 2-inch wide strip on the fold. And approximately 45 inches long. So off camera I stitched the strip right sides together and then turned it inside out. I went ahead and closed the opening and then pinned it along the neckline as shown. I'll later carefully stitch this into position. To secure this extra fabric, I top stitched it into position. This will prevent it from sliding down. So after pinning it into position, I top stitched it to secure it. Trim any excess thread. And this is how it should look. Next, find the center of the armhole and then pin it as shown, approximately 3 inches high. Pin to secure. Then carefully top stitch into position. And this is how it should look. Now repeat for the other side. Your armholes should now look like this. Finally, top stitch the neckline. And that completes your kimono. And here's the final look. I have a separate tutorial for the slip dress. I'll link it down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.